Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to work on this pantry. It is a little bit of a mess. There's not a whole lot in there right now because I do need to go to the grocery store, but right now I get really overwhelmed whenever I look in there, and every time I go to the grocery store things just kind of get thrown in. So we're gonna go ahead and check it out, and we're gonna organize it, refresh it, and throw out anything that is old or we're not going to use.
Okay, so this is what we're working with right now. There's not really any organization. Things are just kind of thrown all around. So let's go ahead and get into it.
In this pantry, you're gonna see me break down things, like take them out of the larger packages. And also I'm gonna be moving things back and forth several times just because I'm trying to find the perfect and most convenient spot. So in this next clip, I'm putting those veggie chips into the basket as well as those Fiber One bars, just so that there's something quick and easy that we can grab on our way out the door sometimes. I think these are great snacks to just throw in the diaper bag whenever we're going on a trip. Okay, this is the finished result, and I'm so happy with the way that it turned out. I was able to organize the snacks and chips, things that I don't want the kids to necessarily reach for the most, on top. And then canned goods and breakfast, any type of dry good and condiments, and then any bulk food at the bottom. Now, this refrigerator was disgusting. So before you pass judgment on this refrigerator, you should know that I was pregnant whenever we moved in, and we were kind of in a rush because we were staying at my mom's at the time. So it's only been a few months of this, but I was really ashamed of how dirty it actually was. Although I'm going to give myself a little bit of grace because I am a very busy mama and I don't always have time to full on scrub my refrigerator. I think that's one of those real life moments that I really want to capture in this YouTube channel. I thought it was so funny whenever I opened up this vegetable drawer, because my middle son, actually, Jace, he loves tomatoes, and he just taken a good little bite out of that tomato and put it right back in its place, and it just made me giggle. I'm just using hot water. I didn't want to use any type of cleaner, especially in the refrigerator, because I didn't want to expose, of course, the food to that. So I was able to just use hot water, and then the parts of the refrigerator that I was able to remove or I felt needed a little bit of extra love, I took out and actually washed off in the sink and was able to scrub it that way with soap. At this point, I knew I was ready to bring out the big guns and get out that toothbrush. Does anyone else use extra toothbrushes whenever they have a small place that really needs a good scrub? Because that is exactly what I did. And I can remember growing up and my mom actually using a toothbrush to scrub her floorboards. Finally, I was able to put everything back into the refrigerator, a lot more organized and a lot cleaner. I didn't have to throw away nearly as much as I thought I was going to have to, and I was actually taking inventory of everything in my refrigerator and everything in my pantry as I was going through it and putting it back so that I could start my grocery list for the next few weeks. That's all for this episode. So once again, my name is Courtney, and please hit that like button if you enjoyed the video and if you enjoyed the transition, and go ahead and subscribe. I am new on YouTube, but I'm gonna keep them coming. I have lots of great ideas for new videos. Thank you guys and have a great day.